The chart builder is meant to build out company org charts, process, flow charts, whatever you would need something like a whiteboard for. So you've got lots of different shape options here, and let me get into this right now. So normally, like every other tool, you would just click on new chart, you can name it, but I'm going to use one that's already got a few things on it just to kind of show you how this works. So across the top here, you've got your different shapes. You've got a rectangle, you've got the circle, and you've got the diamond, and you can drag and click and move these anywhere you wish. And then you've got some options here where we could undo all three of those moves, or you can redo. You can zoom in if you want to see it. You can fit to the screen. You can add a grid. You can choose to snap to the grid. So as you're moving things, it's going to kind of stick instead of the free flow. And then you can change your line thicknesses. You can do dashed lines, solid lines. I really like this PNG download here because there is at the bottom here a copy chart, which will copy the text over to Excel. Or if you hit the PNG and open that up, it's going to be an exact colored version of what you just had. So I like that, especially if you want to be able to print it out. Now, if I go here and I click on these different shapes, you can see you can change the colors here. You just click in them to type over whatever it might be. So I'll just put exactly what was in there. And then if you click out of it, your little editor will disappear. Let's click back in. And if you were to move something here, you can click back to send it to the back or bring it to the front. And that's also how you can delete. Now, if you choose to have connected lines off, you can click around here, and when you click between shapes, or I should say when it's on, when you click between shapes, that's how you get lines. If it's off and you click between shapes, you'll notice that no line appears. And then if you want to have lines with arrows, you turn it on here. And when you're ready to have this be a final, you click the draft button and it'll turn to final, and then the X's are gone for you. So this does have real-time edit function just like all the other tools. And so if you were to be working on this with someone else, you will see them moving around just like Google Sheets. And so if you want your public private, you can change it here. If you choose private with boxes checked, it will be for everyone in the company, or I should say anyone who's listed here will see it just like you and be able to work on it. If it's moved to public, everyone in the company will be able to see it. So you want to make that decision, especially if it's like an org chart or something of a more private nature, to make sure that you adjust that when you need to. And then in between here, just save your chart, and it will make sure that it's updated for you over here in the list. You can rename the chart by clicking on the name and changing the name and hitting save, and then that will rename it. And then you've got the search function here as well. So if you had a very long list of charts, because you've got like department charts and different project flow charts, whatever it is, you can have as many as you want over here. And if you want the screen to be maximized, you can just minimize that column. If you'd like a demo, or if you've got feedback, we are constantly making improvements and updates to the software. We'd love to hear from you. Email us at team@executethevision.com.